Another day, another location in Alaska. So they dropped us off for a viewing of a waterfall, which we'll walk over to in a second. There's a glacier down below, mountains, green grass with amazing little wildflowers.
There is a bald eagle there.
Is there a bald eagle? And I don't have my telephoto. That's okay. They're just, it's sensory overload already. You can see these beautiful mountains, blue sky, but with really nice clouds for that environmental effect. There's these jaggy mountains in the back, and then it's just pretty. And there's these little tiny pretty wildflowers down below. I don't know if the colors will show. Anyway, so there's a little glacial river coming down this canyon, and there is a waterfall down below, which we'll walk over to take a look at. So this is during our stay at Winter Lake Lodge. This is in the Tordrillo Mountains, and we're gonna go take a look now. So that is Lupin Falls in Alaska. Glacier fed river. There's a waterfall. Lupin Falls.